Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the actual work of a data scientist, along with the tools commonly used at each stage. Step 1. Problem definition and data collection. Understand the business problem and objectives. Define the data needed for analysis and model development. Identify sources to collect data from. Tools used: Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, SQL for data querying. Step 2. Data preprocessing and cleaning. Import and load data from various sources. Handle missing values, outliers, and anomalies. Transform data by normalizing, scaling, or encoding categorical variables. Tools used: Python, Pandas library, I for data manipulation. Step 3. Exploratory data analysis, ADA. Generate descriptive statistics to understand data distribution. Create visualizations like histograms, scatter plots, and box plots. Identify patterns, trends, and potential correlations. Tools used: Python, Matplotlib, Seaborn libraries, R, ggplot2, Tableau. Step 4. Feature engineering. Select relevant features that contribute to model performance. Create new features based on domain knowledge and data characteristics. Perform dimensionality reduction if necessary. Tools used: Python, scikit-learn library, R, feature engineering libraries. Step 5. Model selection and development. Choose appropriate machine learning algorithms, for example, regression, decision trees, neural networks. Split data into training, validation, and test sets. Train models using the training data and tune hyperparameters. Tools used: Python, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, R, Caret. Step 6. Model evaluation and interpretation. Evaluate model performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Analyze confusion matrices and ROC curves to understand model behavior. Interpret results to identify strengths and weaknesses. Tools used: Python, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, R, evaluation libraries. Step 7. Model deployment and integration. Deploy the trained model to a production environment. Create apps for real-time predictions. Integrate the model with existing systems or applications. Tools used: Python, Flask, Django, Cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Step 8. Data visualization and reporting. Develop interactive dashboards to showcase insights. Create visual reports and presentations for non-technical stakeholders. Communicate findings effectively to inform decision making. Tools used: Tableau, Power BI, Python, Matplotlib, Seaborn, R, ggplot2. Step 9: Continuous learning and research. Stay updated with the latest data science techniques and advancements. Experiment with new algorithms, tools, and methodologies. Attend conferences, read research papers, and join online communities. Tools used: online courses, research papers, webinars, blogs. Step 10: Collaboration and communication. Collaborate with domain experts, business analysts, and stakeholders. Communicate technical concepts to non-technical audiences. Work in cross-functional teams to achieve common goals. Tools used: communication tools, Slack, Microsoft Teams, project management tools, Jira, Trello,